So we all know 3D printing is beyond cool, right? But one of the challenges is how do you mix up colors? There's been some innovation over the last couple of years where you can add a color here and a color there. Microjet is actually taking that to a whole nother level. You can create full color 3D printing or printed images. So Rafael is joining me here at CES 2019. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your product?
Sure. Our product is a full color binder jetting printer. It's a powder bed printer, which does full color in gypsum and also does ceramic printing, which is not full color.
Oh, so okay, so the ceramic printing, is it just a one color only?
That's right.
Okay.
Ceramic printing is only done with a clear binder.
Okay.
And the color is applied after you kiln it.
Okay.
As with any ceramic material.
Sure. When you print the full color images, now I know the strength between like a polymer that you would normally use, like a PLA or an ABS plastic, how does this compare to that?
So it's not if you dropped it, it would break.
Okay.
So it's something you probably put on a shelf, or something you would use, an architect would use to show his design to a client for educational purposes. But if you were to bang them together, you probably wouldn't give them to kids to play with.
Okay, right. Fair enough. But it's amazing, right?
It's pretty cool.
I mean, the colors, we were looking at some of these in your case. I'm blown away, actually.
Yeah,
it's very, very good.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Marlo. It's about 6 million colors, in excess of 6 million colors.
Okay.
When you get the the different combinations of the four binders, the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and also the clear binder.
So it really works like an inkjet printer, right? Where it mixes the colors together to create these 16 million?
It is essentially an inkjet printer. You're printing in 2D, except you're printing on very many layers of what is not paper, but you can think of it as paper.
Right.
Just printed on many layers of 2D powder.
Yes. So it just
builds up
after a while. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's very cool stuff. So.
And the cool thing is that the geometry you can get, because you don't get any wasted material. You don't need supports.
Yep.
The powder bed acts as a support, right? So you can get very cool, very beautiful looking designs in geometries that you couldn't get with a regular FDM printer.
Right.
But it also is great for ceramics, because you can get those complex, for example, for metal casting, complex shells to cast your metals parts out of that you couldn't machine. Right.
So where do we find more information about your company?
You can go online to www.super3dplus.com.
Okay.
And you can get more information. And I think you will put my contact information.
We will do that
somewhere on your website or in this video.
Yes.
And people can contact me.
Okay. Very good. All right. This is your guru of geek, Marlo Anderson, at CES 2019.